In yet another exciting news, Microsoft has just released Surface Pro 10 for business and Surface Laptop 6 for business. Both are specifically designed with business users in mind. These new AI optimized PCs are a leap in customer focused design, offering enhanced performance, battery life, security, and display quality. They are equipped with the latest Intel Core Ultra processors and feature the integration of Neural Processing Units or NPU to boost AI driven functionalities. In this video, I am going to show you the specifications and salient features of each of these models. Now, if you look at this table, this has been segregated between Surface Pro 10 for business and Surface Pro or Surface Laptop 6 for business. So let's look at Surface Pro 10 for business first. This is powered by Intel Core Ultra processors. It is the first Surface Pro with 5G connectivity on the Intel platform. It has up to 53% faster than its predecessor speed, which was Surface Pro 9. It features a new Copilot key for quick access to Windows AI experiences. It also offers versatility as a powerful tablet or laptop, ideal for various professional settings. It has got enhanced display with 33% more brightness, higher contrast, and durable anti-reflective coating. It has a new ultra-wide studio camera with 114-degree field of view and 1440 pixel video capability. It has also secured Core PC with enhanced sign-in security and a new NFC reader for secure passwordless authentication. It is also quite green. Its enclosure is made with minimum of 72% recycled content and designed for easier service and repair. Now let's look at Surface Laptop 6 for business. This is powered by latest Intel Core Ultra H series processors, and it has gotten options for 13.5-inch or 15-inch pixel sense touchscreen displays with anti-reflective and adaptive color technology. It also has new Surface Studio camera that captures 1080 pixel video and enhanced with AI-driven Windows Studio effects. It features a new Copilot key for easier access to AI tools in Windows. It also offers an industry-leading typing experience with improved keyboard design for productivity and comfort. It has got an optional integrated smart card reader available for secure login in highly secure industries. Its enclosure incorporates a minimum of 25.8% recycled content. It is certified as a secure core PC, ensuring top level security for business data. Now, there are a lot of cool things which are integrated in these. For example, if you look at the salient features across both devices, the integration of Neural Processing Unit NPU for advanced AI experiences like Windows Studio Effect and live caption is quite interesting. It also both of them have also got improved accessibility features, including a Surface Pro keyboard with a bold key set for easier reading and reduced eye strain. It also advances in sustainability with increased use of recycled content and enhanced serviceability. Both of them have got comprehensive security measures with zero trust principles, enhanced sign-in security, and optimal card NFC readers for authentication. Both of them have modern tools for IT management, including Surface Management Portal and Surface IT Toolkit for efficient deployment and maintenance. Both of the Surface Pro 10 for business and Surface Laptop 6 for business are available for pre-order with shipping to customers beginning in April 9th. Pricing of both the model is not still yet confirmed, but the expected range is from 2000 US dollar to 4000 US dollars depending upon the specs. Let me show you a couple more photos of this which I have got from this blog post, and I will drop the link in video's description. Look at this one, looks quite sleek. This is also nice, and this is a ergonomic keyboard which I was mentioning, and then these are few of the devices which you can get with it. I would say pretty cool and nifty looking laptop business machines, and I think they are going to be a hit. I'm more than sure that there will be a lot more competition in this space from the other manufacturers very soon, and I will also be covering them. That's it, guys. And at the end, my apologies for my voice. It is just not uh, working today, but I tried to make a video, so my apologies for any inconvenience. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network. Thanks for watching.